Okay, unzip, the opposite of zip. Given an array of arrays retains a series of new arrays, the first of which contains all of the first elements in the input arrays, the second of which contains all the second elements, and so on. So basically, the way that we implemented zip, it's the same thing as unzip, but as you can see, the only difference that in case of zip, you can pass arrays like this. So as each array as an argument, a single argument, but here you need to pass the whole array of arrays like this. So it's the same thing. Here I have their example. Let me run it. So node unzip. Yes, they just converted columns into rows, right? The same thing as zip. So yeah, you can watch zip because I will just make this very fast, I hope. So I will just accept arrays. Now I'll define a variable called res. I need to find the maximum column count, right? The maximum column. So when I loop, I want forget some columns. So math.max and get. So I need to get the maximum length. D.length. Oops. This will give us the maximum length. Now array from length the max column count dot for each underscore column. So I only care about the index. Now holder will be equal to empty array, and for each element in the array which represents a row, I'll just push the value to that corresponding row column, right? So the first time I will loop over this, I will loop to the maximum array of to the maximum column count. In this case it's 3, so I'll loop 3 times. The first time, for each row, I will go to this column, to the first column, and get this value for each row, the first value that correspond to the current column. So I'll get these, convert them into a row, push them inside holder. Now in the second loop, in the second iteration, in the columns, here, right here. So right now I'm in the second column. Now for each row, get the value in the second column. So these. Now in the third iteration, for each value in the third column, get each value for each row. Now in the third column, get each value for each row. Yeah, okay. So after you do this, just res.push the holder. Now just return res. Let me format. Let me run the same example. We should see the same thing. And even both code handles this case when you have a column as its own. So this would be converted to a row in that position of the array, right?